BCAAs are branched-chain amino acids. They're essential nutrients. Your body needs them but can't produce them on its own. You get BCAAs from food or supplements. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts use BCAAs a lot. They're known for aiding muscle growth and recovery. BCAAs are popular for a reason. They offer a convenient way to support your fitness goals. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, understanding BCAAs can be beneficial. 3 essential amino acids make up BCAAs. These are leucine, isoleucine, and valine. They are vital for anyone looking to enhance their fitness and muscle-building efforts. Each plays a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis, which is the process of building and repairing muscle tissue. This process is essential for muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. Leucine is a star player among the 3. It directly activates mTOR, a pathway that signals muscle growth, making it crucial for anyone looking to gain muscle mass. Isoleucine, on the other hand, helps with glucose uptake. This provides energy during workouts, ensuring you can perform at your best. Valine supports muscle recovery and reduces fatigue, helping you bounce back quicker after intense sessions. Together, these 3 amino acids form a powerful trio that enhances muscle health and performance. They support various aspects of muscle health, from growth and energy production to recovery and reduced fatigue, making them indispensable for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. BCAAs are known for their ability to reduce muscle soreness. They also decrease muscle breakdown after intense exercise. This means faster recovery and back to the gym sooner. BCAAs provide a readily available fuel source during workouts. This can lead to improved endurance and reduced fatigue. By stimulating muscle protein synthesis, BCAAs promote muscle growth and repair. Whether it's weightlifting, running, or any strenuous activity, BCAAs can optimize your performance. They help you train harder and recover faster. Section 4. Potential drawbacks, side effects, and considerations. BCAAs are generally safe for most people. However, excessive intake can lead to digestive issues. Some individuals might experience bloating, gas, or diarrhea. People with kidney or liver problems should consult a doctor before taking BCAAs. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also seek medical advice. It's crucial to follow recommended dosages. Always prioritize a balanced diet and consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Section 5. The science behind BCAAs. Separating fact from fiction. In this section we delve deep into the scientific research surrounding branched-chain amino acids, commonly known as BCAAs, to distinguish between what is fact and what is fiction. Numerous studies support the benefits of BCAAs for muscle growth and recovery. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often turn to these supplements to enhance their performance and speed up recovery times. Research shows that leucine, one of the key components of BCAAs, plays a significant role in activating muscle protein synthesis. This process is crucial for muscle repair and growth, making leucine a focal point in many studies. Studies also indicate that BCAAs can reduce muscle damage and soreness after exercise. This can be particularly beneficial for those who engage in intense physical activities and need quicker recovery. However, some argue that the benefits of BCAAs are overstated. Critics suggest that the positive effects might not be as significant as advertised, and more comprehensive research is needed. They claim that a balanced diet provides sufficient amounts of these amino acids. Foods like meat, dairy, and legumes are rich in BCAAs and can meet the body's needs without supplementation. More research is needed to determine the optimal dosage and long-term effects of BCAA supplementation. Understanding the right amount to consume and the potential long-term impacts is crucial for making informed decisions. It's essential to approach claims with a critical eye and rely on scientific evidence. By examining the data and understanding the research, we can make better choices about our health and supplementation. Section 6. Incorporating BCAAs, practical tips for optimal results. BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids, are essential nutrients that help support muscle recovery and growth. The optimal timing for BCAA intake is before, during, or after workouts. This ensures that your muscles receive the necessary nutrients when they are most needed. This is when your muscles need them the most, as they are under stress and require immediate support to repair and grow stronger. A typical dosage is 5 to 10 grams per serving. It's important to measure accurately to ensure you're getting the right amount. You can mix BCAA powder with water, juice, or a sports drink. This makes it easy to consume and integrate into your routine. BCAAs are also available in capsule form. This can be a convenient option for those who prefer not to mix powders. Choose a reputable brand that offers high-quality ingredients. Look for products that are tested for purity and potency. Listen to your body and adjust the dosage as needed. Everyone's needs are different, and it's important to find what works best for you. Remember that BCAAs are supplements, not a replacement for a healthy diet and exercise program. They should be used to complement your overall fitness and nutrition plan for optimal results.